Today's our first snow of the season, and you'll see a lot of our students that switch to underground and start to go into that mode where they use the tunnels for the next few months.
The tunnels are definitely a good thing, yes. It's been so cold with the winter rolling in, so I've been using the tunnels to stay warm.
A lot of our students look at Wright State because of the tunnels, as one of the initial selling points when they come here.
It was definitely one of the key features of Wright State.
It's a great option in terms of making sure that there isn't any kind of barrier, physically when it comes to the weather for our students, especially chair users.
Come on. Easy to navigate. There's signs everywhere for different places you may need or may not need to go, so they're great. I love them.
I basically live in dorm in the Hamilton Hall, which is super good for using the tunnels everywhere I want, and it's so good.
I think it's almost 2 miles of tunnel that we have connecting all of our buildings, including Hamilton Hall, which is one of our residence halls. In terms of all of our academic buildings, administrative buildings, student union, everything can be accessed through the tunnels.
I would be freezing if I had to walk outside during the winter.
I've noticed that the tunnel systems are also safe for severe weather. There's diagrams throughout the tunnels that show you which parts of it would be safe to be in during like a tornado.
We received our Storm Ready certification from the National Weather Service. So many people think that the tunnel system is just a place that you walk just to get out of the rain or just to get out of the snow, and also has speakers and certain safety infrastructure put in place so that it's safe if there ever is certain types of weather. That means lightning, and that means tornadoes, and that also means when it's snowy outside, we just have a great place that keeps us away from all the bad weather.
And a lot of peace of mind to me, and I know it means a lot to other people. Easy access to facilities like that means a lot to me.
Really fortunate to have them. As a matter of fact, when you go down into the tunnels, a lot of people don't even realize that they're down in the tunnels because they're so well kept. The way we kind of maintain that feature and the way that we kind of utilize it as a campus community is a huge selling point.